To purchase tickets, start by accessing the platform, which can be done through a web browser by typing in the website's URL or by downloading the app from the App Store. Once on the website, use the search bar to find events of interest, browsing through categories such as concerts, NFL, NBA, NHL, and more. Refine the search by using filters like price range, section, and quantity to narrow down the options. After selecting the desired event, choose the preferred tickets from the available options, ensuring they match the initial selection criteria, including price and location. Proceed to review the ticket details, including price, sale information, and delivery method. If everything is satisfactory, proceed to checkout, following the on-screen instructions, which may include entering payment information and confirming the purchase. Once the checkout process is complete, the ticket purchase is finalized.